Imbued with the power to restore and revitalize, Timeless Beauty emerges as the elixir that promises to reveal the youth hidden within your skin. Just like a skilled painter who, with careful brushstrokes, transforms an ordinary canvas into a vibrant masterpiece, this product aims to provide a similar transformation to your skin. Imagine your skin as a canvas, with time wearing it down like the weather that fades a landscape over the years. However, by opting for Timeless Beauty, you are about to begin a journey towards restoring your skin's vitality. It's like bringing back the intensity of colors that the sun and rain stole, revealing lasting beauty. As you follow this journey, you find yourself in the lead role, guiding the narrative of your own journey of timeless beauty. Just like a butterfly emerging from its cocoon, your skin is about to undergo a metamorphosis, revealing a new, radiant form. Timeless Beauty is not just a product, but an ally in the search for silky, smooth skin that not only reflects the passage of time, but defies the signs of aging with a unique grace. The action of Timeless Beauty is like that of a skilled architect who restores an old building, preserving its essence while incorporating modernity. This product is formulated to penetrate the deepest layers of the skin, working in harmony with natural regeneration processes. It is as if Timeless Beauty were the conductor of a symphony, coordinating the different elements to create a masterpiece of youth and vitality. Consider each application of Timeless Beauty a promise of rejuvenation. Just like a gardener cares for his plants, this product nourishes your skin, helping it flourish like a lush garden. Each ingredient is chosen with the dedication of a meticulous chef selecting the finest ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece. Timeless Beauty is the secret recipe for skin that not only looks healthy, but radiates beauty that transcends superficiality. When you use Timeless Beauty, you're investing not just in skincare products, but in a beauty philosophy that embraces authenticity and celebrates the passage of time. Just like a fine wine that improves with age, your skin, with proper care, can reveal a beauty that improves with time. Think of Timeless Beauty as a guardian, protecting your skin from the harmful elements that surround it. Just like a shield that defends a warrior in battle, this product creates a barrier against free radicals and other environmental aggressors that can accelerate the aging process. It's as if Timeless Beauty was armor, strengthening your skin to face everyday challenges. By incorporating Timeless Beauty into your daily routine, you're committing to a self-care ritual that goes beyond the surface. It's as if every drop of this product was an act of affection, an expression of self-love that transcends the boundaries of the ordinary. Your skin is not just a reflection of your exterior, but a canvas that tells the story of your journey, and Timeless Beauty is the pen that allows you to write chapters of vitality and resilience. Consider Timeless Beauty as a reliable friend who is always by your side, regardless of life's seasons. Just as the seasons change, your skin also undergoes transformations. Timeless Beauty is formulated to adapt to these changes, offering support when skin needs extra hydration during the dry winter months or when it needs protection from the intense rays of summer. When you look in the mirror after using Timeless Beauty, you will not only see rejuvenated skin, but you will also feel an inner renewal. It's as if each application was an act of self-compassion, a break from your hectic routine to dedicate yourself to yourself. Timeless Beauty is not just about the pursuit of a more youthful appearance. Product link in comments.